How quickly your attic ventilation system starts making a difference depends on a few things, but usually you'll notice improvements pretty fast, like within days or weeks. So, when you get new attic ventilation installed, the main thing is making sure air can actually move freely in and out. That means checking that your intake vents, usually at the eaves or soffits, are not blocked by insulation or debris. Then, having enough exhaust vents near the roof's peak lets hot air escape, which cools the attic down. You want a balanced system where fresh air comes in low and warm air goes out high. Also, the type of ventilation matters. Powered fans push air faster than passive vents, so they can cool your attic quicker. But even passive vents can start helping right away if they're set up right. Another tip is to keep your attic door or hatch sealed well, so the cool air doesn't leak out. Lastly, remember that weather can affect how fast you feel the difference. On hot days, good ventilation shows its benefits more clearly. One of the biggest mistakes people make with attic ventilation is not having enough vent area, which stops air from circulating well. Fix that by adding more intake or exhaust vents based on your attic size. Another common problem is blocked vents. Insulation or debris can close off airflow, so regularly check and clear them out. Lastly, using the wrong type of vent for your roof style can limit effectiveness. Make sure to pick vents designed for your roof's pitch and material to get the best airflow. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors for things like attic ventilation upgrades. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people looking for their services and grow their business without hassle.